There's only one little issue that I'm not happy with in this tree, and that is, if you'll notice, right here, I made very, very sharp edges on the inside. So what I'm going to do about these curves is something quite simple. Now, you realize the reason these curves are here, you'll notice that this top part was cut from the top with the roundover bit. That's why it's so nice and curved here. And it curves around here, nice and sharp. But down in here, this was pocketed with a 1/4 inch bit. A 1/4 inch diameter bit can't go into a corner very well, can it? Well, no. So let's go into the corners ourselves, and anytime we see an inside corner, we're going to do a little modification. The fillet tool is something, relatively simple. The tool radius, I'm going to put the tool radius at 0.125 because that's what it is on a 1/4 inch bit. You go to any corner and you see where it says the check mark, you click on it, and I will trim it. So once I click on it, it rounds it over to where the radius is 1/8 inch, which will match a 1/4 inch bit. Now, clearly, as a round bit goes around the edge, it can produce a sharp corner, so I don't need to mess with those. Every inside corner, including these two. So let's go back to the rendering. This was the original rendering. Now, if we preview all the toolpaths again, you'll notice we're still going to have the errors. And there's a reason why, and I'll tell you why right now. Notice we'll still have these little curves here. That's because we didn't do one very important thing, which is to recalculate all toolpaths. That's something you have to get into the habit of doing. There's a click right here, and you can recalculate all of them, or as you change each one, because this toolpath is the one I did before. So now, if I go to the preview, reset, and preview all the toolpaths, you'll notice that the insides, so the walls are nice and straight throughout.